We are pleased to show you the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, remote vehicle start. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.